Angela here from Naturally Balanced Farms, and we're going to do a plant profile today. Today we're looking at catnip. Catnip is commonly used for cats, but I'm guessing you probably didn't know it has human benefits too. Catnip is in the mint family, so it is invasive if you try to grow it. You want to use the leaves either fresh or dried. If you use fresh, you use half as much as you would in dried form for tea, but you can actually drink it yourself as a tea. It's known to help treat colic and gas. It has sedative properties and is antibacterial, antimicrobial, so you can use it on your cuts and wounds as well. Another one of the benefits of catnip is it can help ease the stress of going through nicotine or drug withdrawal. You can also use it for headaches, migraines, and even PMS symptoms. You can also use catnip for colds and flus. It's a decongestant, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties, so it'll help soothe your respiratory tract. It's also good for asthma as well. Another benefit of catnip is if you drink it after an intense workout, it'll help soothe your muscles. You can cool it down and use it as a hair rinse for irritated scalp. It'll help with dandruff and just the general irritation. And other than that, the most common thing it's known for is drying it and using it for the calming effects for your feline friends. I originally got this plant because I remembered it had some benefits to humans, but I wanted to bring it because we have a farm cat that has some kittens, and I thought it would amuse them a little bit, but honestly they could care less. It is in the mint family, so this plant here I've only had for maybe a month or so. I do need to trim it down so it'll bush out a little bit, but I didn't want to send it through transplant shock. So I needed it to get used to its pot before I did that. But it will vine out if you let it go over, and it will take over wherever it's at if it touches the ground. So you want to keep it pretty compact and upright. It will grow 2 to 3 inches or 2 to 3 feet in height. It does attract butterflies and bees if you allow it to set off blooms. And you want to keep it, we live in the desert, so here in the desert you want to keep it pretty well shaded with some light morning sun for a couple hours, and you want it to be moist. If you want to propagate this, you want to take a piece probably about 4 to 5 inches long, maybe 6 inches, strip these bottom leaves and stick it in some water, and it'll root pretty easily. Most plants in the mint family will. Within about 12 to 14 days, you should be able to stick it in some dirt, as long as the roots are roughly about at least an inch long, and it'll take off like crazy for you, and you can have as much catnip or catmint as you want. Also, if you're preparing it for tea, you want these young tender leaves. It starts to lose its sweetness and its oils as the leaves get bigger, but the cats, they don't really mind it when they get bigger. So you want to kind of keep it trimmed. The best time of day to harvest your catnip is in the morning when the oil is in the leaves, because as the sun comes out, the oils go back down into the stem and retreat from the leaves, so that's how the plant doesn't burn in the heat of the day. So I've potted this in an organic Kellogg's potting mix. It likes to stay moist, but it doesn't like to sit in water very long. There's 2 different kinds of catnips. There's your common catnip, and then there's a lemon catnip. The common catnip is what everybody actually knows about, and the lemon, the cats don't really care about. It has more of a lemony flavor and with the same benefits, so that one's used more for tea. So I hope you enjoyed this plant profile on catnip. It's one of the many herbs we have here on the farm, and with the holistic background that I have, I like to try to educate as much as I can myself and other people as to the benefits of what they can do. Not just herbs, but there's many other plants on the farms that have benefits on this this farm that has benefits for you as well. So if you like this video, please click the like button below, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you have any questions, leave your comments below.